Try this amazing no-oven cake. It's soft, fluffy, delicious, and very easy to make. You don't need an oven at all. Try it today and discover why this cake has become so popular. You will need 1 egg, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of oil, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut, 1 cup of flour, and baking powder. Mix all the ingredients well until you get a smooth batter. Finally, add half a tablespoon of vinegar and mix again. Pour the batter into a suitable pan or pot and cook it over very low heat until the cake is completely done. Meanwhile, prepare the lemon syrup. Place some water in a saucepan, then add sliced lemon as much as you like, or use fresh lemon juice. Add sugar and let everything simmer well until you get a delicious, slightly thick syrup. Once the cake is ready, pour the lemon syrup over it and decorate it as you like. And the result: a soft, delicious cake made without an oven. Try it today and discover why this recipe is becoming so popular.